Sitting by the shore, golden sky so warm, sand between my toes, I feel so reborn. Woke up to the sound of the bluebird song, sunlight through the curtains all day long.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Al. AI singer videos have been going viral on TikTok and YouTube recently. There are many ways to generate these kind of videos. The most intuitive way is to search some online platform and burn some credits to generate these kind of videos. However, we love cheap. I already paid $2,000 on my RTX 4090. I am capable of generating anything on my local computer. I also would like to have total control over the contents I generate, and I also want to generate as much as I want without burning any credits. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these kind of videos with consistent character, singing or talking using the tools on your local computer. I'm going to introduce a procedure to create the character and make this character move, generate the vocal content, and combine the contents together with Lipsync. Let's get started. We will use Flux for image generation. Flux by far is the most handy model for local picture generation. The picture quality is very high, and the details are accurately related to our prompts. We will use a Flux workflow with the LoRa model from my previous video. Flux uses a dual clip. It has two text boxes. One is for Clip L, developed by OpenAI. Clip L supports tag-based prompts like one girl, pink hair, sunshine. On the other hand, T5XXL is developed by Google. It supports natural language input in full sentence prompts, like a beautiful girl with pink hair is walking under the sunshine. When used together in dual clips, we would provide complementary guidance to the model. The model can maximize the creativity and the precision in image generation. Let's try generate a picture to see if our prompt is good enough. The picture is pretty realistic. Man, that's gorgeous. These are idealistic girlfriends. They never get old. Once you are satisfied with the picture, you can move on to video generation. By far, the most handy image to video tool I have used is FramePack. It's slightly faster than 2.1. The default FramePack workflow for Comfy UI comes with first and last frame inputs. We can disable the last frame. You can change the resolution in base resolution. With customer-grade graphics card, we better not go too large. You can change the steps to make the generation faster. Usually, a number between 20 to 30 will be good enough. The step size controls how well you want your video to look. You can change the total time length in the sampler as well. Let's generate the video. The video looks pretty natural, especially the girl's facial expression is so original. The sea waves are also moving so realistic. The next step is to create some audio content for my beach girl. I will use the text-to-music tool by Ace model we introduced in my last video. I will ask ChatGPT to create a country-style lyrics for me. Then I will put it in the model and set the music style as 2000s pop music in Britney Spears style. Make sure your music length matches with the FramePack video length, because in the next step, the combined video length is bounded by the FramePack video length.
Woke up to the sound of the bluebird song, sunlight through the curtains all day long. Grab my shades and my old flip-flops.
The music is pretty legit. It has this early 2000s energetic pop style. Now we will use Lipsync to combine the audio and video together with lip syncing. So the final video looks like the beach girl is actually singing the music. You can select the video on the left. Then load the audio. The lip expression parameter determines how wide the lip movement should be. The larger the number, the wider the mouth. If it is too large, we will see some white shadow on the character's mouth. If that happens, you should consider lowering this value. If the girl's mouth is originally small, you might want to try a larger number so that the lip movement is visible. In this video, the lip expression is clearly too large. We need to try a smaller number. Well, this looks much better. Lipsync is not yet officially supported by Comfy UI. Our best option is to use a non-official but very popular wrapper. However, this wrapper is notoriously hard to install. Let's take a look how to install this wrapper and get Lipsync working. First, go to the Comfy UI folder where you see Python embedded. Then, open the terminal. Install with the first command. After that, upgrade pip setup tools wheel. You can also do that in the beginning. Then, install Python. Python lets you write Python code that looks like mostly Python, but with the ability to add C-level types and perform optimization. It will allow you to write C programs in Python. Make sure you install CPP build tools from Microsoft. If not, download from their website. The next step is to install Inside Face, which is important in running Lipsync. Go to its GitHub, download the WHL file, and install this wheel with the next command. In the end, install Onyx Runtime. Now open Comfy UI and load Lipsync workflow. Install the missing nodes. Restart. Go to the Lipsync's Hugging Face repo and download the checkpoints to the checkpoint folder of Lipsync wrapper under custom nodes. I recommend you to download manually because if you download when running Comfy UI, it will be super slow and does not show you the progress bar. After downloading, your Lipsync is good to go. Have fun creating your own J-pop idol. I almost forgot. You should also install FFmpeg on your computer if you haven't done so. You can go to the GitHub repo, download the software, unzip it, and go to the bin folder inside its folder. And copy the path of the bin folder and add it to the system variable. After you've done that, you should restart your computer and you are good to go. That's the end of this video. If you guys find it helpful, please consider like my video and subscribe my channel. I got more cool stuff coming every week. I see you guys next time.
Sitting by the shore, golden sky so warm, sand between my toes, I feel so reborn.